front of the Verica trial. Who's been to a past field day and maybe has been here for another soil health event? Okay, so you know this already. But essentially the plots here on this row, it's a replicated plot treatment study looking at long-term impacts on soil health and some like forage quality assessments as well of 2 different types of hay corn rotations and a couple different corn system conservation practices. So the treatments include, do you have it on there?
Oh yeah.
There's a continuous corn, which we're using just as kind of like a baseline understanding, right? And then we have a no-till corn treatment.
Yep.
We have a cover crop treatment.
A no-till cover crop treatment.
We have a no-till and cover crop combined, which was added kind of later, so there's not as long-term data about that piece. But because people are doing it, we want to see what the impacts of that are. So, and then there's 2 different corn hay rotations that are at different points in their cycling, right?
4 years of hay versus 4 years of corn followed by long-term.
Right. I think what it was is 3 years of hay or 3 years of corn and 7 years of hay when we looked at the data, yes. Right? So it was like if you have kind of a longer hay rotation versus a shorter one, and we found that those treatments all impact different aspects of soil health in different ways, which isn't surprising. Soil health is really complex. It's like one term that we talk about, but what does soil health mean? There's so many different aspects to it, right? So interestingly, the no-till plots had higher compaction in the soil a little bit, which is actually aligns with other research. We also found that the shorter, the corn hay rotations had some enhancements in soil health indicators without compromising yield, right? And so that's really exciting. I think we got, like, the recommendation is that if you can do rotations, that's the best for soil health, and you can sustain yield comparatively over the long term. If you can't do that, using the no-till and cover crop combination and instead of continuous corn has a bunch of soil health benefits without any negative impacts on yield.